Welcome to our channel. If you want to install the official Hulu app on your Windows 10 computer from the Microsoft Store, follow these step-by-step instructions to set up the streaming service. Step 1. Ensure your Windows 10 PC is connected to the internet and that you're signed in with a Microsoft account. The Microsoft Store requires account authentication to download apps. Step 2. Click on the Start menu in the lower left corner of your screen, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Step 3. Type Microsoft Store in the search bar and click on the Microsoft Store app from the search results to open it. Step 4. In the Microsoft Store, locate the search bar at the top right corner of the window and type Hulu to search for the official app. Step 5. From the search results, identify the official Hulu app published by Hulu, LLC. Verify the publisher name to avoid installing unofficial or fraudulent apps. Step 6. Click on the Hulu app to open its store page, where you'll see the app description, screenshots, ratings, and reviews. Step 7. Click the Get or Install button to begin downloading the Hulu app to your computer. The button will show the download progress. Step 8. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few minutes. You can monitor progress in the Microsoft Store. Step 9. Once installation is complete, you can launch Hulu immediately by clicking the Launch button in the Microsoft Store or find it in your Start menu under All Apps. Step 10. Open the Hulu app for the first time and sign in with your Hulu account credentials, or create a new account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup and start streaming. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.